List of defeated kings. These are the kings, the land whom the Israelites had defeated and whose territory they took over east of the Jordan, from the Arnon Gorge to Mount Hermon, including all the eastern side of the Arabah. Sihon, king of the Amorites, who reigned in Heshbon. He ruled from Aroer on the rim of the Arnon Gorge, from the middle of the gorge to the Jabbok River, which is the border of the Ammonites. This included half of Gilead. He also ruled over the eastern Arabah, from the Sea of Galilee to the Sea of the Arabah, that is, the Dead Sea, to Beth Jeshimoth, and then southward below the slopes of Pisgah, and the territory of Og, king of Bashan, one of the last of the Rephites, who reigned in Ashtaroth and Edrei. He ruled over Mount Hermon, Selekah, all of Bashan, to the border of the people of Gesher, and Makkah, and half of Gilead, to the border of Sihon, king of Heshbon. Moses, the servant of the Lord, and the Israelites conquered them. And Moses, the servant of the Lord, gave their land to the Reubenites, the Gadites, and the half-tribe of Manasseh to be their possession. Here is a list of the kings of the land that Joshua and the Israelites conquered on the west side of the Jordan, from Baal Gad in the valley of Lebanon to Mount Halak, which rises toward Seir. Joshua gave their lands as an inheritance to the tribes of Israel according to their tribal divisions. The lands included the hill country, the western foothills, the Arabah, the mountain slopes, the wilderness, and the Negev. These were the lands of the Hittites, Amorites, Canaanites, Perizzites, Hivites, and Jebusites. These were the kings: the king one of Jericho, the king of Ai near Bethel, the king one of Jerusalem, the king of one Hebron, the king one of Jarmuth, the king of one Lachish, the king of Eglon one, the king of one Gezer, the king of Debir, the king one Geder, the king one of Hormah, the king of one Arad, the king one of Libnah, the king of one Adullam, the king one of Makadiah, the king of one Bethel, the king of one Tappuah, the king of one Hepher, the king one of Ephek, the king of one Lasharon, the king one of Madon, the king of one Hazor, the king one of Shimron, Meron, the king of one Aksaph, the king one of Tanakh, the king of one Megiddo, the king one of Kadesh, the king of one Jokneam in Carmel, the king one of Dor and Nephath Dor, the king of one Goyim in Gilgal, the king one of Tirzah, 31 kings in all.